Hello students, and I would like to extend my warmest welcome to the 2018 Cryptocurrency Trading, Investing and Security course. My name is Stanislav and I will be your instructor together with my co-instructor and business partner Alexander. Together, we will be teaching you everything you need to know in order to successfully trade and invest in cryptocurrency in 2018, profitably, of course. We will also teach you how to practice good security practices in order to make sure that your assets are safe and your private keys are known only to you. The cryptocurrency scene is changing very rapidly, and it's vital to be able to recognize these changes in order to improve your odds of success. This is precisely why we decided to create this course in the middle of 2018. Now, the cryptocurrency market is a dangerous place. Right now, we're in a full-blown bear market. There is negative sentiment everywhere we look, be it on Twitter, be it on Reddit, anywhere we look, people are worried. People are worried about all the scams that happened and all the potential scams that are gonna happen. And it's something that scares a lot of people. People are worried. What's gonna happen to their savings? People are worried. What's gonna happen if I actually put my money into cryptocurrency right now? How is it gonna affect me? The wonderful thing is that you can make money in any market condition. So either it's a bear market or a bull market. We're going to teach you ways that you can profit from the current market situation. We will teach you how to adapt your strategy to match with the market sentiment and the market situation. This way, you will be able to profit and make money in either case. All information that we're going to provide to you is up to date and split up into easily digestible parts so that you can go back and refresh your memory at any moment. This course is suitable for students of beginner and intermediate levels. Beginners will be armed with all the tools which they need in order to start trading and investing successfully and securely. Intermediate students will polish their current skills and improve their knowledge further in order to ensure that all knowledge gaps are eradicated. This course will also help already experienced stock traders and stock investors enter the cryptocurrency world with while being sure and secure. Now, let me give you an overview of what exactly we will be covering in this course in more detail so that you can decide if this course is the right one for you. We're going to discuss the optimal trading setup. So basically, what is essential for you to actually make the trades. You will need roughly 8 hours of your time, effort and dedication to make sure that you are ready to go. We're also going to be taking an in-depth look into how to invest your capital into long-term holdings, right? This way, you will be able to hedge your risk and protect yourself from unexpected market movements or wild market swings, or simply bad days, which happen to the best of traders. We will show you the optimal trading strategies as well as timing strategies and how to act in order to make the most out of every trade that you do. We will also show you how to protect your assets and how to practice good risk management tactics. What's very important is the ability to recognize whether a particular crypto will rise or fall. Don't forget, you can and you will profit from both positive and quote-unquote negative market movements. It's my duty and it's my job to teach you exactly how to do this. Little tip for you: preparation and discipline are the keys to success. After completion of this course, you will be fully versed in both technical and fundamental analysis. You will be able to differentiate between good and bad market movements. Little tip: there are no bad market movements if you are prepared. You will be able to understand how these market movements affect the market sentiment and how the market sentiment affects the price movements. So it's like a circle. and you need to understand the whole thing in order to be well prepared. You will be able to take all the precautions necessary in order to make sure that your capital is protected whilst still remaining in easy access to you at any time. Terms like cold storage and hardware wallets will be clear to you, and you will sleep easy at night knowing that your cryptocurrency is safe. Finally, you will know exactly how to set up your own long-term crypto portfolio, which will give you a safe, regular income and future growth. Now, let's discuss a little bit more about the structure of this course. So we split this course up into 4 parts. We're going to be talking about investing in the beginning. What are we going to discuss? Well, some of the things are what creates and drives value, how to spot trends and predict market movements, how to analyze market sentiment, and finally, how to make sense of community discussions, because the community and the cryptocurrency communities of the various different cryptocurrencies is vital to the success of not only the whole market, but to the individual cryptocurrency itself. We're going to teach you how to gather data and make sense from it to be able to make the optimal decisions. This is just a small part of what we are going to be discussing, and there's a lot more insight that we are going to provide in order to make you the best trader and investor and business person that you can be in the cryptocurrency space. Next, we will be moving on to trading. So, active investing, where you buy and sell cryptocurrency in the same day, perhaps in the same minute. What are we going to talk about? Well, we're going to talk about Japanese candlesticks and how to read them, how to understand them, how to make sense of them. We're going to talk about the different patterns that you can spot when looking at a chart, right, at the price of cryptocurrency, and applies to cryptocurrency trading on a slightly longer term. So not intraday trading, but it's something that you have to take a look at every day and then make an analysis for the week to be able to make good decisions, to be able to be informed. Then we're going to be moving on to security. So we're going to talk about how to transfer your money safely. Because imagine, you work with cryptocurrency, you trade cryptocurrency, you invest it, then one day you wake up, you take a look at your exchange account or you take a look at your wallet and it's gone. Think about that feeling. Think about how you would feel. It would feel horrible. So we're going to show you all the tactics that we use to make sure that our cryptocurrency is safe. And if we do this, we recommend that you do this as well. And finally, we're going to have a very important part regarding general business advice in terms of cryptocurrency. So it's going to be tips and tricks and ideas and insight into how to prepare yourself for the success that you're going to be reaching. It will also prepare you for those bad days, because it doesn't matter how good of a businessman you are, you have to be realistic and you have to understand that sometimes things don't go your way. But if you are prepared, you will be able to handle anything that cryptocurrency throws your way. So guys, first of all, a little bit more about myself. I want to make sure that you as students are confident about who I am and what I know and how I came to know all of the things that I do know that I want to teach you, because I believe it's important that you understand you understand the amount of value that we can create together for you. So I started with Bitcoin and I started with cryptocurrency back in the day, and usually back in the day means 20-30 years. That's not true in terms of my exposure to cryptocurrency. Realistically, I would say 10 years ago is when I started exploring the scene, but in roughly 2012, 2013 is when I really jumped into it, took some family funds, family capital, not my own, invested that into Bitcoin, and I saw the investment, or perhaps at the time you could call it speculation, I saw it rise. I saw it rise all the way to 20K. Okay, I rode those highs and I also felt the lows, but that whole journey turned into a long-term investment that's still paying off till this day. I kept it intact Okay, yes, I sold parts to make sure to hedge my investment, but it's still intact till this day, all these years. Then I changed my strategy up a little bit. I decided to get into trading, and I was aware of traditional classical stock trading, and I knew some of the techniques that you have to use to trade successfully. And then I started exploring crypto trading, which was a completely different game. It's the same as stocks, but it's completely different. It's an enigma. It's hard to understand, but it's fun. And I started doing that, actively pushing myself to try to understand more, and I did understand more, and I started to learn more, and I started to be able to make successful trades, which wasn't easy, but it was fulfilling and rewarding, especially seeing how crypto is developing. And then just take a look at this screenshot. You can currently see the holdings that we have on my co-instructor Alex's account. We use his account specifically for holding this to transfer it to other exchanges, and you can take a look on at the bottom over there. We had to blacken out all the transactions just for security purposes, of course, but you can see this is a nice little amount, 37 Bitcoins. We have 23 Bitcoin Cash. The wonderful thing is we didn't even have to do anything to get this Bitcoin Cash. We were at the right place at the right time, but we knew how things work because of the fork. I hope you guys know. If you don't know about the fork, don't worry. We're going to teach it to you in this course so that you can spot exactly such opportunities. You do nothing but you make money, okay? So that is also part of the course. And then Ethereum, we do not have any holdings of Ethereum on our Coinbase account. We just have that strictly, for Bitcoin, and then obviously the Bitcoin Cash. So take a look at this. I mean, look at where Bitcoin is now, right? The minus, 18% roughly. That's painful. But if you know what you're doing, if you are calm and you know what a long-term investment is, you are in control. And with that, I would like to introduce my co-instructor, Alexander, who's also going to introduce himself to you so that you know what he does, who he is, and together we can go on this journey into the world of crypto.
Thank you for the nice introduction, Stanislav. Hi guys, it's me, Alex. I will be your co-instructor for this course. I've been into crypto since 2015. Actually, it was Stanislav who introduced me into the crypto community, who showed me the ropes of crypto, how to say. So, like I said, he will also be showing you a lot of the ropes. And for me, what I also gonna bring to the to the course, I've now had extensive knowledge in trading. I come from a classical business background. I also knew about Bitcoin like nearly as long as Stanislav, but in comparison to him, I didn't jump on it when it was so low. I got into the crypto game a little bit later, when actually trading was for me the more interesting way to make money on the short to mid term. Of course, I also invested into a long term, but this is going to be a little bit of a longer game. Long term investing takes patience, but it's also quite valuable. So what I will also show you, help you is, for example, is just show you how to make business principles, how to get discipline, and how to act disciplined so you can make the most of the crypto business as you can. So in the next course, I hope you will enjoy what we're going to say. We're going to teach you as much as we can and make as good as quality as we can. So right now I will give back to Stanislav, who has a few nice welcoming words to say to you too. So see you in the next part of the course, and until then, enjoy Stanislav's good counsel.
I'm really excited about inviting you to the course. I'm really excited about seeing you inside. I'm really excited about actually teaching this and helping you be the best person that you can be in the cryptocurrency space. A lot of people are scared. A lot of people are hesitant, and this is normal. But this is the difference between successful people and not successful people. If you want to be a successful person, you have to put yourself in a situation that you are uncomfortable in. You don't understand everything, but you push through and you learn and you take advantage of every situation that life offers you. Cryptocurrency, everything that has happened to it the past 10 years, the past 5 years, this is just the precursor to the beginning, meaning it's not even the beginning yet. Think about the opportunities that all of us have. These are exactly the opportunities that I took together with my business partner Alexander, and we would like to extend those same opportunities to you. Now, what I need from you is dedication. So if you make sure to watch the course, if you make sure to take notes, and you put time and effort into this, you will be successful. And I'll be very happy to help make you successful. So guys, I hope you are just as excited, if not more excited than me about this cryptocurrency course, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of you inside for the first part of the course. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.